to some new warnings from the Department of Public Health. They say there are some concerns with fish in rivers that might not be safe to eat.
You know, this is all because of the chemicals that may be inside of them. NBC Connecticut Siobhan McGurl joins us live in Willimantic to explain it all. Siobhan.
Keisha, for the last 5 years, the state has been testing fish for PFAS chemicals. They found some high levels, potentially unhealthy levels. That's what's behind these new advisories. The Willimantic River is just one body of water affected across the state. If you fish here, you should know, don't eat the bass. All other fish, limit yourself to one meal a month.
We'll give her a shot.
Out on the water today, we met several experienced fishermen.
I have been doing this since I was 9 years old. How long? All my life.
A lifelong love, but when we asked if they ever eat the fish they catch,
Never. No, I just catch them, throw them back.
they say there are several reasons why. Among them, health.
Number one, there's a lot of chemicals.
The state's Department of Public Health just issued new or updated advisories for these 11 rivers, where various types of fish were found to have potentially unsafe levels of PFAS chemicals, also known as forever chemicals.
Over time, they can have effects on our reproductive function, on growth. They can potentially have long-term effects on some of our endocrine organs, things like thyroid. If you know that something's not good for you, then we want to at least make people aware of it.
The state's public health commissioner hopes everyone listens to the warnings, but especially more vulnerable groups of people.
Pregnant women, women of reproductive age, children under the age of 6. These are the groups that we would maybe be very worried about in terms of their consumption and how it might have more near-term impacts.
Some of the advisories warn people to limit eating the fish to once a month. Others advise against it altogether. It depends on the type of fish and location. Regardless, these fishermen we met say they will continue to get their fish somewhere else.
If I want fish, I'll go up to McDonald's and get a fillet of fish.
Now, in addition to these advisories surrounding PFAS chemicals, there's also still a statewide advisory in effect due to mercury contamination. That has not changed. The advice there, limit yourself to one meal per week. That includes freshwater fish. We have all these details at our NBC Connecticut app. For now in Willimantic, I'm Siobhan McGurl, NBC Connecticut News. Guys, we'll send it back to you.
Siobhan, thank you.